Case law can change at any moment, which means your tried and true case can suddenly become bad law with the latest decision from an appellate court. Never worry whether your case law is in jeopardy with our case citator, TrueCite. TrueCite is attorney-reviewed and updated daily to ensure that all our cases are marked with the right treatment and nuance. As you may expect, we color-code our case treatments to offer at-a-glance insight on whether a case may be usable. The dark red marker means the case is no longer good law on some point and will typically be labeled as disapproved, overruled, or superseded. This is also how we note unpublished cases. The light red marker serves as a warning that the case's precedential value has been disputed by a subsequent case and will typically be labeled as criticized, limited, disagreed with, declined to follow, or validity questioned. The orange marker cautions that although the case is good law, it is not binding due to different facts. You will also see these labeled as distinguished, cited for contrast, or not applicable. And a blue marker tells you the case treatment has either been neutral, as when the case has been referenced for background legal rules or principles, or even positive, as when the case has been upheld or relied on. These will often be labeled as discussed, cited, or upheld. Each case treatment also includes the number of times that case has been cited to. By clicking on the treatment, you get more information on why it has been flagged and which subsequent decision is responsible for the most critical treatment. You will also see when it was last cited to. If you ever forget what the color coding means, you can click on the question mark next to the TrueCite logo. Once you have clicked into a case, the flag remains in the top left corner next to the case name. To see all citing cases, click Citing Cases under the flag. The citing cases are listed from most critical to least critical. For each citing case, you see the level of distinguishment or discussion, as well as the TrueCite indicator. You can filter your view of cited cases by published status, level of analysis, treatment, court, cause of action, procedural posture, disposition, appellant's trial court role, or year. Using the disposition and appellant's trial court role filters are especially helpful to find cases analogous to your own. And of course, you can search within results using keywords. Because of the human touch that all new cases go through, we regularly find case treatments that others miss. Stay confident in your citations with TrueCite.